Where?
More princess.
More princess? Let's see.
Look, I saw flounder.
Where?
Ariel.
Ariel?
Yeah.
You want to get it?
Yeah, I'm not sure what I named flounder and
Where?
this. Ariel.
Let me see. Let me see your toy.
Daddy gave up for Nina.
Get one for Lena.
Yeah.
Which one?
Yeah.
Flounder?
No. Yeah. The flounder one. Yeah, Nina flounder one.
Where?
Oh, the flounder.
This the flounder one?
Flounder. Yeah.
Come on.
The flounder.
You go this way. Go. Keep going.
Whoa, cereal monster.
Mula the one. Don't know.
What are you saying?
Over here, Nara. Where's your little pony?
That's the unicorn, not pony.
This is a unicorn?
Yeah.
But it's a pony.
Oh, pony.
Yeah. It's a pony.
No, it's not pony, it's unicorn.
It's a pony.
Unicorn. Wow.
Let's go check over here.
No. Daddy, right here.
It's gonna hit your head. Careful.